They'll test it, anything you see. Test it, post a video every single week. Healthy and unhealthy, just for you and me. Test it, anything you see.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new tested video. I'm Isabella.
And I'm Daniel.
And today we're going to be making an easy Spanish flan.
So let's get into it.
So the first thing you're going to need is 1 cup of sugar, and you're going to put that into a saucepan, small to medium size, over medium-low heat. And you're going to put the sugar in there and let it boil until it's liquidy and golden brown.
So now we're going to be pouring the melted sugar, that should be a golden brown color, into the 9-inch glass baking pan.
Make sure the sugar coats the entire thing. Now this one really have to coat the sides, but the bottom should be coated, and if you can get a little bit on the sides, that is perfect. You may need to scrape it out a bit. Let it cool just a tiny bit before you scrape it out with a metal spoon. Rubber spoon, like this one, or a rubber spatula, should work fine as well. Just be careful because it can get sticky. The pan should look something like this when you're done pouring the sugar into it. So now we're going to put 3 eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Make sure to get all of the yolk and white in there. So when you finish putting all 3 in, you're gonna beat the eggs. So now we're gonna beat in 1 can of evaporated milk with the eggs
And 1 can of sweetened condensed milk.
so now we're just gonna beat those 2 together. Pour in 1 teaspoon of almond extract. For more traditional taste, you can pour in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. But you want to pour this egg condensed milk mixture thing into the sugar in the glass pan. If you hear it crackle, it's because the condensed milk is colder than the sugar, so it starts to crack.
So now your egg and milk mixture is added to your sugar pan. We're going to bake it at 350 degrees for about an hour.
Yep, and if it still looks really liquidy after that hour, just leave it in for a little bit longer, but not too much longer because these things bake quickly. Okay, so now that we've taken the flan out of the oven, we have let it sit for 1 hour about, and now we're gonna try it.
Yeah, let's
Ready?
get into it. Well, it's like a really new flavor. I've never tried flan before, and to be honest, I don't really like it. It's like really strong, the flavor, and it's like really strong almond flavor, which I don't think is that good. So I don't like it that much.
So I really enjoy it. Try the middle, by the way, because the side has a little bit of burnt sugar, as it should. I think this is great. It tastes really good, like the store-bought flan. Well, not like the bad ones, but like the good ones. So, and it was really easy to make too. So I think this is a really great recipe.
Yeah, I mean, if you like flans, then sure. But to be honest, I didn't really like it, but that doesn't mean you will. So I still recommend trying it. It wasn't that hard to make, so.
Okay. See you in another one. Bye.
Bye.